Hello everyone, welcome back with the second regular puzzle. Puzzle in is a Sudoku medium in today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, June the 15th, 2022. And news of today, well, it's war day number 112, 112 days in war in Ukraine. So that's the news of today. I've already solved one puzzle, the binary puzzle, and this will be my second puzzle, and it will be number 4702. 4702. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 28 printed digits. Should be an easy one, easier than the 1 star in the additional. The 1 star has 27, this one is 28. And for 1 star, you need to be faster than 15 minutes. Well, maybe I will be faster than the 50 minutes. We will see. So let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? All right. Okay, let me see. We have a 9 in the last column. The 9 in that column. So in the column between, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Okay. The 6 in this row. Last row. 6 in a row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in this column, so no 6 there, 6 should be here. We have a 1 in the third row, the 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. Here, 1 in this row, so no 1 in those 3 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in this middle row, so no 1 there, 1 should be there. All right. Okay, now I cannot continue with the 1. How about the 6 in this big square? We have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number in this big square is then 6 and a 4. 2 missing numbers here. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the 6 and the 4. We have a 6 and a 4 in this row, so no 6 and a 4 in these 2 boxes. The 6 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and a 4, 6 and a 4. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Then the 6 in the third row, the 6 in the second row. So the first row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in this column, so no 6 there, 6 should be there. All right, and we have a pair, 6 and a 9 in this column, 6 and a 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 6 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. All right. Okay. Then. Let me see. Which number can I pick? 5, 5, 5, 5. 3, 3. I'm scanning. All right. Okay. 4. Come on. 3, 4, 4, 7, 1. Okay, we have a pair in this big square. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and 8. We have a 4 and 8 in this column. So no 4 and 8 in these 3 boxes. We have a 4 and 8 in the middle row. So no 4 and 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 8. 4 and 8. Alright. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this column. So no 3 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left in this big square for number 3. Should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 6. And look, we have 1 in this row, no 1 there. Here 1 in this row, so no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. So 2 and the 6 are left. 2 and the 6. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this column? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 7 in the last row. So no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Alright. Okay. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in this row, so no 1 there, 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Do we have all the 1s? And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 1. Alright. Okay. 3 missing numbers in the middle row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 2, 5, 6. And look, we have a 2 and a 6 in this column. So no 2 and a 6 in this box. The 2 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. So 1 digit left in the middle row for the number 5. We have a 2 in this big square. So this box can't be 2 anymore. This box should be a 6. And that box should be a 2. 1 box left in this column for number 6. Now we have a 6 here. So this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be 6. And this box should be 9. Then. 2, 5, 8, 3. 3, 9. Yeah, 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes here. 9 in this row, so no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 3, 4. 3, 4, 7. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3, 4, 7. And look, we have a 7 in this row. So no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 3 in this column, second column. So no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 4 goes there. All right. Okay. Then. We have a 9 in this column, the 9 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Do we have all the 9s? Yes, and all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 9. 1 box left in this third column for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Then. All right. How about all the 6s? Let me count the 6s, and all the 6s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 6. 284. 8 and 2 missing numbers in the last row. For the numbers, so 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 there, 4 should be here. And the 8 goes there. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore, that box should be a 4. And this box should be an 8. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing. 1 box left in the last column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in this column, so no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this last row, 7 in the row above, so in that row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in the first column, so no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used, I can see. This is number 4, number 7. 1 box left in the second column for number 1, the 2 is missing. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes here also. 4 and 5, 4 and 5, 5 and 5 and 3. Okay. 4, 4, 9, 2. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 in that box. Here 2 in the middle column, so no 2 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this row, so no 2 there, 2 should be here. And all the 2s are used, I can see. This is number 5, number 2. All right. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in the second row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have an 8 in the third row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 box left in the middle column for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8 in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4. It goes there. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 and more. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 5. Finish in 50 minutes. Well, not faster than 50 minutes. Talk too much in the beginning. Well, I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the third regular puzzle, a killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku mix. Until then, bye bye for now.